required for a content creator to be successful, or any person successful in their life, is the discipline. Discipline and a consistency, and never giving attitude, never giving up attitude. Every day you have to make the day count. When you wake up in the morning, there must be the power, there must be the force that keep you alive to go out throughout the day and make the day count. So discipline is the one thing, right? You have to be disciplined in certain things, in your certain tasks that you are doing on a regular basis. So discipline is what makes you different from other people. Next is consistency. Be consistent even if you're not proper, or if you're lacking something, but still you're consistent on regular basis and doing whatever you can, right, to improve or to get along 1% better, right? Then you are making 365% better from the previous year. And whatever good or bad you are learning, you are making progress. You are not stuck, right? Because you are consistent. So discipline and consistent. Next comes never giving up attitude. Most of the successful people you see that has a never give up attitude. They will try, but do not cry, right? Even if they feel that nothing is working, but still they keep trying and trying, right? They consider failure as a part of the success, right? They will fail many times, right, to get that success. And this is what it is, this is what it takes. If you take a billionaires and millionaires, you see they are great at sales, right? Sales and marketing, these are basic and fundamental things that you need to learn in your life when you want to achieve massive success, make money, right? Build your personality, build your brand, right? So these are some of the tools which you can master, right? And this requires effort, right? This requires time, right? Rome was not built in a day, right? But we have to practice on regular basis. And when you do, right, when you do with effort, right, with dedication, with your focus, right, then you will see that you are improving and you are just moving towards success, right? You are becoming something. Is energy. So when you wake up in the morning, your energy levels must be high. And if you want success and money, then energy levels plays also very vital role. If you're having a lack of energy, then you will not be able to achieve that success and that money that you are dreaming of. So energy also plays a vital role. Next comes is confidence. How confident you are in your work. However bad you are performing right now, but you have confidence that one day you will be able to make it out, right? Then that will help you to elevate to the next level, right? So confidence and high energy levels are the prerequisite when it comes to money making and success. You see a lot of people are lacking confidence, they are not confident in what you are doing, and so that's why they are suffering, right? And believing in yourself is also one of the important tools that you can practice on daily basis. Are you believing in what you are doing? Do you know your why you are doing this, and are you believing in 100%? Because when you believe in yourself, you are already halfway done. So these are some of the tools which you need to practice on daily basis, right? And it starts with the inner self work, right? It's not the outer part, right? It's the inner work that you need to do and see all the parameters, your energy levels, your confidence, your believing in yourself, having faith in yourself, sales and marketing, right? So this will help you to elevate, right, your consistent efforts in what you are doing, right? And practicing this on daily basis, however bad you feel, however low you feel, but still you keep on going, never giving up attitude, right? These are some of the tools that you need to practice when you want to achieve that success, or when you want to build your brand, or when you want to get to certain level, right? I have learned this in my life, and I felt that let me share that, right? So let me repeat what you need. First, believe in yourself. Next, energy levels, sales and marketing, right? Never giving up attitude, right? Consistency, right? Patience, your dedication, your focus, right? Your discipline in what you are doing. These are some of the tools. If you like this kind of content, give it a like, share and subscribe. We talk about health, wealth, love, happiness, success, abundance, prosperity, right? Gratitude, right? So be a part of this community, right? Join this, right? And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.